Huevos con ejotes. A delicious Mexican breakfast recipe. This recipe serves 4 servings. Preparation takes about 15 minutes. And cooking takes around 20 minutes. Here is what you'll need. A half pound fresh green beans, a half medium white onion, 1 to 2 pieces serrano pepper, 2 medium Roma tomato, 2 cloves garlic, 8 pieces large eggs, 2 tablespoons whole milk or heavy cream, a half cup queso fresco, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil or lard, 1 teaspoon kosher salt. Step 1. Bring 4 cups of water to a boil in a medium saucepan. Add a generous pinch of salt. Step 2. Add the trimmed and chopped green beans to the boiling water. Blanch them for 4 to 5 minutes until they are bright green and al dente, tender but still having a slight snap. Step 3. Drain the green beans immediately and plunge them into a ball of ice water to stop the cooking process. Drain again and pat dry with a paper towel. Step 4. In a large mixing bowl, crack the 8 eggs. Add the milk, if using, salt, and black pepper. Step 5. Whisk the eggs vigorously until the yolks and whites are fully incorporated and the mixture is slightly frothy. Step 6. Heat the oil or lard in a large non-stick or well-seasoned cast iron skillet over medium heat. Step 7. Add the diced onion to the skillet. Sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until translucent and slightly golden. Step 8. Stir in the minced serrano pepper and garlic. Cook for 1 minute until fragrant, being careful not to burn the garlic. Step 9. Add the diced tomatoes and the blanched green beans to the skillet. Sauté for 3 to 5 minutes until the tomatoes have softened and released their juices. Step 10. Lower the heat to medium-low. Pour the whisked egg mixture over the vegetables in the skillet. Step 11. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds to allow the bottom to set slightly. Step 12. Using a heat-resistant spatula, gently push the eggs from the edges toward the center, creating large, soft curds. Step 13. Continue folding the eggs gently until they are mostly set but still look slightly moist. They will continue to cook from residual heat once removed from the stove. Step 14. Remove the skillet from the heat immediately to prevent the eggs from becoming rubbery. Step 15. Garnish with crumbled queso fresco and serve immediately while steaming hot. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.